Hi, it's me, Renee. I am super excited that you're going to join me on Monday. Now, let me tell you something. This that I learned that I'm going to share with you, I didn't learn until I was 48. I had no clue. And you know how, like in school, they teach you how to read, they teach you how to write. You know, your mom and dad teach you how to tie your shoes and say thank you and be polite. Okay, well, I realized that for some reason with society, mental health skills is not taught. It's not taught. And it's the biggest thing that should be taught, because as you go through life, that is how you're going to manage. But it's not taught. And so we muddle it through it on our own. And our brain comes up with all kinds of ways to help us. Some of them healthy, and some of them not so healthy. And so when I found out about my brain and how it is that you can actually train it to react to things in life, I was just floored that I didn't know. 48 years old and I didn't know. So maybe you're like me. You're thinking, oh, what is she talking about? What is it I don't know? Well, that's what I'm going to show you in this 7-day challenge. I want you to pick your top 3 anxious thoughts. And in the 7 days, we're going to see how much less anxious they are. And don't be surprised if you knock it out of the park, because it's just a matter of knowing how. You know, everyone says, let go, stop thinking. They tell all kinds of advice, what to do when things are going on in your life. But no one really says, like, how. Like if I tell you to make a cake and then I just throw you in the kitchen, make a cake. And if you've never been in the kitchen or you don't cook, you'd be like, okay, where do I start? What do I do? What do I get? What utensils do I need? What ingredients do I do? How much of this? How do I make a cake? So that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to show you how to train your brain not to be anxious. And if it gets anxious, how to drop it down. Isn't that exciting? Anyway, I'm excited about Monday, and we're going to have some fun. Ciao.